Welcome back to Car Garage. If you're into classic trucks with a modern twist, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about a truck that's turning heads and winning hearts, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. This beauty pays homage to the golden age of pickups while packing the power, technology, and comfort of today's best vehicles. Whether you're a vintage car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this truck delivers on all fronts. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at this modern classic. Exterior. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup takes its inspiration from the late 1940s and early 1950s GMC trucks, known for their rounded fenders and bold presence. GMC has stayed true to the classic design language while giving it a sleek, modern twist. This model comes finished in a deep, glossy dark green paint job that perfectly highlights the truck's elegant curves and timeless silhouette. Subtle red pinstripes accentuate the fender lines, tying in a tasteful nod to the vintage detailing. The front end keeps that old-school charm with a wide, split grille finished in chrome, while the modern LED headlights are cleverly integrated without ruining the retro look. Around back, the tailgate sports a classic GMC logo, but with a sharper, more contemporary font, adding to the overall blend of old and new. The polished alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance low-profile tires, give the truck a muscular stance. It rides lower than an old-school pickup but retains that strong, purposeful look. Chrome accents on the mirrors, door handles, and bumpers finish the exterior, bringing a sense of refined quality to an already stunning design. Performance. Under vintage pickup isn't just a showpiece, it's a serious performer too. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 6.2L V8 engine, delivering a hearty 450 horsepower. It's been tuned for high torque, so whether you're cruising city streets or opening it up on the highway, this truck moves. There's also talk of an electric variant in the works, offering instant torque and silent cruising for those who prefer an eco-friendly take on the classic pickup. The suspension is fully modernized, featuring an independent front suspension and coil-over shocks in the rear. That means smooth, controlled handling and a comfortable ride, something vintage trucks weren't exactly known for. The braking system is upgraded with large disc brakes on all four corners, providing excellent stopping power. This isn't your granddad's old farm truck. The 2025 Vintage Pickup is built on a custom frame, designed to handle the power and provide stability, whether you're taking sharp corners or just enjoying a weekend drive. Interior. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that perfectly blends retro styling and modern luxury. The seats are upholstered in dark green leather, matching the exterior, and are stitched with fine red thread that mirrors the pinstripes on the body. They're not your basic bench seats, though. They're contoured and bolstered for comfort on long drives, and heated for those colder days. The dashboard is where the magic happens. You get old-school analog gauges with chrome surrounds, giving you that nostalgic vibe, but there's also a sleek digital display hidden within. When the truck's powered off, you'd never know it's there. Pure genius. Chrome trim runs along the dash, and the center console features retro toggle switches paired with modern touch controls. A premium audio system fills the cabin with rich sound, and you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. Dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and keyless entry add to the modern convenience, making the vintage pickup not just a looker, but a comfortable, high-tech ride as well. Price. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup starts at around $150,000, but that's just the base price. If you're opting for additional customization, things like upgraded interiors, performance packages, or even the all-electric version, you could be looking at upwards of $200,000 or more. It's a significant investment, but what you're getting is a limited production, highly detailed machine that brings history into the future. Safety. The vintage pickup includes modern safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and blind spot monitoring. You'll also find front and rear parking sensors and a rear-view camera to make parking this beauty much easier. Traction control and electronic stability systems help keep you in control in all weather conditions, and of course, it comes with a full suite of airbags for driver and passenger protection. Overall verdict. So, what's the final word from Car Garage on the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup? It's the perfect blend of classic design and modern performance. For those who appreciate old-school styling but don't want to sacrifice today's comfort, technology, and safety, this truck delivers. It's a rolling piece of art that's as fun to drive as it is to look at. Whether you're adding it to your collection or making it your weekend cruiser, the vintage pickup is a statement piece. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Garage, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the coolest rides out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.